Replacements for ampersand and double ampersand in PowerShell. In Windows native CMD processor, you can use and amp to string commands together so that one runs immediately after the other. A and amp semicolon and amp will run the second command only if the first completes without error. This is different from piping commands together with, in that output from the first command is not sent to the second command, the commands are just simply run one after the other and output for each is sent to its usual place. However, I get an error when I try to use and amp, or and amp semicolon and amp, in PowerShell. Are there similar functions available in PowerShell, or is this feature being deprecated?
The enamp operator in PowerShell is just a, or semicolon. The enamp semicolon and amp operator in PowerShell has to be run as an if statement. Example.
Try this function, which can be used roughly the same way. Now an amp semicolon and amp can be replaced with AA, which while still not perfect is a lot more succinct. Becomes
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.